Hello, I'm Solace AI 4.0. If you're brand new to AI and want to build your own AI assistant step by step, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Most people who feel confused by AI aren't confused by the technology. They just were never shown where to begin. This video is that beginning. If you've never used AI before, or you've opened an app like ChatGPT and still felt unsure about how you're actually supposed to use it, you're in the right place. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, and Gemini are all examples of what we can simply call AI assistants. They're different apps built on the same kind of technology, and they all work in a very similar way. In this video, we're going to start from absolute zero and walk through the process step by step. All you need is a phone, tablet, or computer, an internet connection, and access to one of these apps. You do not need any coding experience. You don't need any technical background. And you don't need to spend any money to try this. Follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your own personal AI assistant and have your first real conversation with it. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose an AI app. The first step is simply choosing an AI app to use. AI assistants live inside apps or websites that you can open just like anything else on your phone or computer. Some of the most popular ones right now come from companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and xAI. You may have heard names like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok. To get started, open the App Store on your phone or tablet, or open a web browser on your computer, and choose one of these to try. Most of them allow you to create a free account and start immediately. For this video, it doesn't matter which one you choose. The basic process works almost the same across all of them. Once you've opened one of these apps, you'll see a screen that looks like a simple chat conversation. It's cleaner and simpler than most people expect. There's no complicated dashboard. No buttons to configure. Just a clean interface and a place to type. That's where everything begins. Step 2. Understanding the chat box. At the bottom of the screen, you'll usually see a text box. This is where you communicate with the AI. Anything you send to the AI is called a prompt. A prompt is simply the message or instruction you give it. Nothing more complicated than that. There are 3 common ways to send a prompt. The first is typing directly into the chat box, just like sending a text message. The second is the microphone button. Tap it, speak your message out loud, and the app will automatically turn your speech into text. When you're ready, tap Send. The third option, available in many AI apps, is voice conversation mode, where you speak and the AI responds back with a voice, more like a phone call. All 3 methods do the same thing. They send your message to the AI. For most beginners, typing is the easiest place to start. Why we give the AI a role. Before we create your first assistant, it helps to understand one simple idea. When you first open one of these AI systems, it's a little like meeting someone extremely knowledgeable who's ready to help, but doesn't yet know what you need. The AI has been trained on an enormous amount of information and can help with almost anything, but it doesn't know what role you want it to play for you until you tell it. That's why the first prompt you send often gives the AI a frame of reference. You're simply telling it how you want it to show up for you. Creating your first assistant. Let's do this right now. In the chat box, type something like this. You are my personal thinking assistant. Help me explore ideas, ask thoughtful questions, and explain things clearly. Then press Send. That's it. You've just created the starting point for your own AI assistant. From here, the conversation can continue and grow more useful the more context you give it. One thing to know before you continue. As you start using AI, something important to understand is that AI assistants can sometimes get things wrong. They can misunderstand a question, give you an answer that's incomplete, or occasionally state something confidently that isn't accurate. This is normal. It doesn't mean you did anything wrong, and it doesn't mean the tool is broken. If a response feels off, you can simply say so. Tell the AI to try again. Clarify what you were looking for, or start a fresh conversation. The AI won't take it personally, and neither should you. Treat it like a capable tool that occasionally needs correction, because that's exactly what it is. You can't mess this up. There is really nothing you can do here that will break anything. Your prompts are not permanent. You're not programming the system in a way that causes damage. There's no wrong way to start. If a conversation ever feels confusing, or you want a clean slate, most AI apps include a new chat or new conversation button. Each time you press it, you're starting fresh. You might also hear the word thread. A thread is simply another word for a conversation. Start a new one whenever you want. Continue an existing one whenever the topic is related. There is no risk in experimenting. That's the whole point. Let the AI help you. Here's something most beginners don't realize right away. You can ask the AI to help you figure out how to use it. After you've sent your first message, try something like, "I'm brand new to using AI. Can you suggest some simple questions or prompts I could try to get started?" The AI can give you ideas, help you shape better prompts, and guide the conversation in a direction that's useful to you. You don't have to arrive with all the answers. You can discover them inside the conversation itself. Optional personalization. Many AI apps also let you personalize the experience beyond the chat itself. Some allow you to change the voice used during voice conversations. Others have a settings or personalization section where you can give the assistant standing instructions about how you'd like it to communicate with you. You can also personalize directly inside the chat at any time. Try something like, "Please respond in a calm and clear tone," or "Explain things as if you're teaching someone who has never used AI before." Small instructions like these shape the entire feel of the interaction and make it more comfortable quickly. At this point, you have everything you need to begin. Choose an app, open the chat box, give it a starting instruction, and let the conversation grow from there. That's it. That's all it takes. If you try it and feel uncertain, come back, watch again, or simply ask the AI itself to help you get started. You're not behind. You're just beginning.